Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the question answers of the chapter The Beggar by Anton Chekhov. The question answers, as you can see, has Leshkov become a beggar by circumstances or by choice? So the answer is Leshkov became a beggar due to his circumstances only, not by choice. Otherwise he was working as a singer in a group, but because of his habit of drinking, he was left from his work, and he was removed from this work, and he had no other option. Therefore he started begging to feed himself. What reason does he give to Sergei for his telling lies? He told Sergei for his telling lies. The reason was that if he would tell the truth that he is a drunkard, then no one would give him alms. So when he would not be given the alms, how he would be able to feed himself? Therefore he told lie. Is Leshkov willing worker? Why does he agree to chop wood for Sergei? No, he was not at all a willing worker. वो काम करना नहीं चाहता था. Just because of his pride and shame, he was ready to chop the woods. Otherwise, he not at all wished to chop the woods. He was not at all a willing worker. Now, where did Sergei send Leshkov? What advice did he give him? Sergei wanted to give Leshkov better, cleaner employment. Therefore, he talked to his friend, and his friend needed a copywriter, and this man Leshkov was able to read and write. Therefore, Sergei sent him to his friend and advised him to work hard and not to drink. He also asked him not to forget his advice. What kind of work was given to Leshkov initially? In the beginning, Leshkov was given the work of chopping the woods. And why he was agreed to do it? Sergei refused to give alms to Leshkov, and he offered to give him work. He took him home and gave him the work of chopping woods. Leshkov agreed to do this not because he was hungry and scanted, because of his pride and shame, and because he had been trapped by his own words. Therefore, he was ready to do the work. How did Olga treat Leshkov in the beginning? Now, Olga is a cook in Sergei's house. Initially, she treated him badly, and but later on, because she was a kind-hearted lady, she rebuked him for his drunkenness. Then she sit before him, and she became sad also. She looked into his eyes, his face, and she wept for him also. Then she used to chop woods for him, and she did so because she wanted that this man should be reformed, because she was feeling pity for him. She wanted to bring him on the right track. How did Sergei recognize the beggar in the end? Sergei looked at the beggar. His face appeared familiar to him. अब Sergei को end में ये beggar मिलता है. इसका चेहरा उसे जाना पहचाना लगता है. He tried to recall where he had seen him. Suddenly his eyes fell on the beggar's shoes. One shoe was high and the other was low. Now he clearly remembered where he had seen the beggar before. He had seen the beggar in the Sadovia street. उसे याद आ गया कि ये वही वाला बैगर है जिसको मैंने वुड चॉप करने का काम दिया था और अपने दोस्त के पास काम पे अब लेटर्स लिखने के काम पे लगाया था. सो नाउ दिस पर्सन वॉज टोटली चेंज्ड. So these are a few question answers which you can do, you can learn, and rest of the question answers and other things we shall do in our live class also. Still, if there will be any problem, we are ready to remove your doubts. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.